Hello, good evening. My name is Yang and welcome to Yang's English pronunciation video. So today we are going to have a look at the O sound, and this is our last lesson. We are going to look at this symbol and that symbol, okay? So I'm going to have an example word like mother, okay? Mother. And if I write the IPA transcription, it's going to be or ma, a, the mother. Then our last example is low, the word low. If I write the IPA transcription, it's going to be and o. So this is our last video. We want to go back to where we started and do some short recapitulation, or we epitomize everything or summarize everything. We look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ways we can pronounce the sound O. And we look at O as in O, want and hot. Then we look at O as in or. So we can have the O sound in O. Then we also looked at bough, O-U-G-H, ba, or the O sound, or. Then we look at O-E, toe. And we look at O-A, but. So these are the